In the heart of Pererenan, a Balinese village, nestled amidst the traditional houses, stood Bawa House. A testament to sustainable living, it rose from a once-barren plot, teeming with chickens only a short while ago. Lush greenery now carpeted the land, a testament to the project's commitment to nature. Built on stilts, the house mirrored the village's architectural heritage, a single-story haven blending seamlessly with its surroundings. Bawa House wasn't just about aesthetics, it was a celebration of responsible living. Stilt Studios, the masterminds behind the project, prioritized environmental stewardship. Local, sustainable materials formed the core of the house, with wood taking center stage for its natural carbon storage properties. Prefabricated elements, built using a clever 3x3-meter modular system, ensured efficient construction with minimal waste. This innovative approach not only sped up the building process, but also significantly reduced the house's carbon footprint. Here, design and sustainability walked hand in hand. Stepping into Bawa House was like stepping into a nature retreat. Minimalist design reigned supreme, with the focus firmly on connecting with the outdoors. Walls were replaced with expansive sliding doors and floor-to-ceiling windows, bathing the interiors in warm, natural light. Elevated wooden walkways weaved between the different sections of the house, further blurring the lines between inside and outside. This clever design maximized space and created a sense of openness on a compact plot. The magic of Bawa House truly unfolded when you explored its layout. 3 buildings, positioned at varying heights, played with verticality, offering ever-changing perspectives across the square plot. Lush greenery filled the spaces between, creating the illusion of the house floating amidst a verdant haven. The vibrant garden wasn't just aesthetic, it pulsed with life. Vertical planters adorned the highest building, cascading down to meet the broad tropical leaves surrounding the inviting swimming pool. This thriving ecosystem not only attracted wildlife back to the land, but also served as a natural air conditioner, cooling the house during Bali's scorching summers. Bawa House stood as a beacon of hope. It was a powerful counterpoint to the rampant high-density development plaguing Bali. Here, modern living thrived in harmony with nature, proving that a sustainable lifestyle with minimal environmental impact was not just a dream, but a beautiful reality. In the heart of bustling southern Bali, Bawa House offered a sanctuary of tranquility, a testament to the power of responsible design and a celebration of life in perfect balance with nature.